Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to fetch the category view. So in this video we will be designing this thing. I'll just show you. So in the previous video we made this, right, trending category and the all the categories over here. So now when I click on this category, right, I should be able to view all the products of this category. So we are going to make that in this video. So let us just go to the code and start with it. So on this category page itself, let us start with that. So we'll go to the resources, views, and front end, category blade. So this thing will be clickable. Okay, the whole card is going to be clickable. So we'll add an A tag over here, say A, and the URL will be just making now. Just cut that and paste it below this end of card. Paste. Okay, so here ahref, say URL of category, or say view category. So to be clear, view category and the ID of that category. So what you are going to say is $cat of ID. Okay, so which ID we click, right? I mean whichever category we click, or instead of taking ID we will take the slug which we had inserted. We will go to the database and you can see slug we have inserted, right? So we'll just take this thing, go there, take slug, save, and we'll create this thing in the web.php and say route get paste slash, within curly braces write the slug, save, and here we'll call the controller, oops, outside this comma, here it's going to be front end controller of class and the function name. So we'll say a view category. So let me just show you the output how it's going to work. Here just refresh. So you can see this thing has become blue red because of here. We will just remove that. So let me click on this. So you can see view category electronics. So we are going to make it now. So it says it does not exist because you have not created it. Go to the code and copy this function name and go to your front end controller. Inside your app, HTTP controllers, front end, here just a function and paste it over here, and here we are going to take a $slug as a parameter. Remove this thing. Yeah, here we are going to say $products equal to product model, where here we have stored the ID of the category, right, but we are passing the slug. So first we need to get the ID of that category, then we can filter the products of that particular category. So first let me just comment this out, and here we are going to say a if condition and check if the slug exists or not. So say category model where slug comma $slug. Okay, so where slug is equal to this slug which we are passing, and use the exists function, then open close, and here we'll say else. Here we are going to return redirect to the home page with, here we are going to say status and the message. So I don't say slug does not exist, or you can give any custom message like the link was broken or something. So now copy this, cut from here and paste it inside this if category. So if there is a existing slug like that, then we are going to fetch the category details. Copy that and paste it again over here. So instead of exists, say first semicolon, let us store this in the category variable, say category. So now in this we will get the ID of this slug. Okay, so which category slug this is, we will get the ID of that. So now in the product model we are going to search where ID is equal to not in the single quotes, just paste this category of ID. So this will also be the category ID. Okay, so cat ID which we had stored in the database. You can see under this, right, where we have in the products table you have stored the category ID. So make sure you call the correct name spelling. Okay, here, and I think I just made a mistake over here, category, yeah, copy that and paste it here. Yeah, so where category of ID and get, and here let us add the status also. So say where, and here status is equal to 0. So if we have somebody has hidden that category, if the admin has hidden that category, it should not be visible over here. So now we can return this in the view, return view. First let us create the template for this. So that will be inside resource, views, front end. Create a new folder over here. So I'll say products, and inside this just create a new file called index.blade.php. hit enter, and for this just copy this layouts, copy and paste, copy this end section and paste it over here, save, and this will be the products, right? So say products. So now let us call this template in the controller. Here we have given, right, so it will be inside the front end dot products dot index, and here in the compact function we are going to pass this variable. We will pass the category also, say category comma the products, paste, save. So let us go to this page now, index, and here in this content we need the cart design where we will be showing the products. So let us just take it from the home page which we had made without wasting some time, and yeah, copy that, close the file and paste it over here. So this is nothing but just a basic bootstrap design, and here instead of featured products we are going to show the category name. So remove this featured products, say $category of name, save, and this owl carousel thing, right, we don't require here, so I'll just remove the whole div over here, remove, and instead of this item we are going to say column MD3 margin bottom 3, save, and this thing will be perfect. And instead of this featured products we are going to send this variable, right, products, copy that and paste it over here. Yeah, and now this should look good. Yes, and in this title, right, we can just paste this category name itself, so it will be more appropriate. Save. Now let us check the output. Go to your page, refresh, and click on this product category. So you can see the products under this electronics category is come over here, and this is the category name. So let us go back and check for the other category. So I'll go click on mobiles. So we have fetched the mobiles category, so all the products under the mobile category has been come over here. So let me just hide this Note 7 Pro product and check if it is visible or not. So inside products, so here it is, Note 7 Pro. I'll click edit, and we are going to say status, we'll check this, so it will be hidden. Click on update, updated. Let us just refresh and check, refresh, and you can see that product has been hidden over here. So we'll just make it back once again. Yeah, so it's done. So let us just do the same thing for this trending category also. We will just add that A tag over here, so it will become clickable. So we'll go to this front end controller. So this is the index page, right, where we have the trending category. We are going to add the link over there. So below this item, say A tag, Control X, and paste it after this card closing div. Here you can just copy that from the category blade, this URL which we had made. Yeah, here it is. Copy and just close this product one. Yeah, paste, and instead of category it's going to be T category. Copy that and paste, save. Now let us check the output. Go to that page, refresh, and yeah, so this has become clickable over here. So when I click on this household, so there's no product inside that, not inserted. Inside this electronics, let us check. You can see we have got the product over here. So this blue color thing and underline is not looking good, so let us just remove that with the CSS. So go to the main page, this layout, and here we will add the style tag and say P tag, text decoration none, save. Oops, I just mistyped this. It's going to be the A tag. Okay, sorry for that. And yeah, let us make it not important. Yeah, so that means it is important. Save, and let us just refresh and check. Okay, so this underline is gone. So if you want, you can just add a color to this, so it looks good like this itself. I'm leaving it. Yeah, so in the next video guys, we will be seeing how to make the product view. So when we click on this product, we are going to get the image in this part and the product description and other details over here. So thank you for watching this video guys. In this video we have seen how to open the category view page, so the product view page. So thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.